Right, here's a solar panel with USB on it. The USB cord is stretchy, just a single USB. There's a QR code. Let's try it out. So I got a USB fan. It's turned on high. In the camera it looks weird, but it's going pretty fast. That's facing the ground. Okay. There you go, it stopped. Oh man. Like it's I put this in the full sun. You can hear that. So even faced away from the sun, it's on. Not super fast, but it's on. That's pretty cool. It works well. Put it on the ground. Fan is off. I lift it up a little bit. Oh man, you can see it's barely off the ground. And the fan is spinning, so it does a pretty good job.